What's up guys, it's your guy Dog here with my first subjective video of histograms. So yeah, I'm really excited to be doing this, guys. Keep your comments, likes and subscribers keep coming. So yeah, this histograms is an A to A star topic. It can range to B, but not any lower, since it's a really hard topic which you'll be facing in year 10, maybe 11, maybe 9, but not as much. So yeah, you'll be facing that. Highest grade you'll be getting is A to A star, and that'll be the hardest thing. So I'm just going to be telling you how to solve these, work these out. So all my topics will be grading from A star down to A to B to C, and all the way up again from C to A star. So, master of topics, GCSE higher. My syllabus is EdXL, guys. Sorry for the background noise if there's any. My syllabus is EdXL, okay? If you're doing AQA or any of the syllabuses, then I fear that my topics won't be in alignment with yours. So, they won't teach you this necessary same stuff. So, if that is so the case, then listen to your school subjects and listen to your school teachers. If not, then try and listen to these. If you want to listen to these, because these are like basically easier methods on how to do them, which is taught to me by my some person, which is not in liberty to discuss with. But yeah, without any further ado, let's continue to histograms. So here I have histograms. What is it you need to know? Now, when you learn it in year 5, 6, maybe 4, you learn not that many words. You just count up the numbers or count up the diagrams, and it corresponds to a different thing. Because when I was doing my 11 plus and everything, it was like histogram would be like 3 pixels. 1 pixel equals 4 people. 3 pixels equals how many? And each pixel was divided into 4, so then 2 and 3 slices. So that'll be 2 3/4. So yeah, that'll be 2 and 3, so that'll be 11. That's how easy it was. But now when you get to GCSE higher, it's not that easy. There's 3 words that you mainly need to know. What do you need to know? Frequency, frequency density, and class width. Now, the area of a bar in a histogram equals the frequency. To work out the frequency, it's not area of bar, because that's stupid. Do not write that down in a test. Frequency equals frequency density times class width. And you just rearrange that to get frequency density. And an easier method of working out frequency density rather than this is, in frequency density, frequency is the first word. Frequency, then density. So when you do work it out, frequency is the first thing divided by the second thing, which is class width. But you don't rearrange it again to work out class width, which is frequency density divided by frequency density. Class width is upper bound, take away lower bound. I'll be doing a bounds topic later on in my videos. So yeah, if you find bounds hard, then just keep watching keep subscribing and liking and commenting about what topics you want me to do. Bounds I'll be doing quite short in a few times, because bounds is related to histograms a lot. The graph that you'll be drawing for this will have frequency density as the y-axis. This is a made-up table that I've drawn. In a GCSE exam, you will get the first 2 columns, okay? You will not get the second 2. If you do get the second 2, it won't be like how I've put, like here 10 minus 0 equals 10, 24 minus 10 equals 14. It'll just say 10, 14. But if you do get the second 2, you won't get this last one. I hardly think you'll get the last one. You get the third one. If you get the third one, there'll be gaps in it, okay? To work out the gaps, you just need to do upper bound, take a lower bound. Now, this case of bounds is really different to how you actually work out bounds. Because when you're doing tables like this and graphs, the upper bound is the second number here, which is greater than or equal to A. See these numbers? 10, 24, 35, 45, so on. These are the upper bound. So what do you think the lower bound will be? Exactly, the lower bound is just the first numbers here. So you just take away the upper bound for the lower bound. 10 minus 0 equals 10. You can just watch this video and see how I've done it. I've done it here as well. 24 minus 10 equals 14. And then you just use the formulas here. Sorry guys. You just use the formulas here, which is frequency density equals frequency divided by class width. So that'll be frequency density here equals frequency 20 divided by 10 is 2. If you don't know your multiplications, then I really suggest that you do them again. 42 divided by 14 equals 3. Guys, a silly mistake that people do is do not let you down on multiplications. Try and check the division again. This will be, if numbers are like this easy and stuff like that, it'll probably be non-calculator. But if there's like decimals involved, then it'll be calculator. So just check with your calculator second times. And also, guys, yeah, just be careful about how you do your multiplication and division with these, because it really does help. It's possibly going to be a 5 mark, maybe 4 mark question. So yeah, just be careful. And the last note that I'll be telling you is that the age will go on the x-axis. But when plotting the graph, be careful to draw the spaces for the total class width, which is 80. So do 80 spaces and then draw the bar going up for frequency density and going the spaces for the class width. Okay, I'll just rephrase that so it's easy for you to understand. Basically, to draw a graph, you have the frequency density as the y-axis, as I've stated here. For the x-axis, you have your class width. But you don't just do 0 to start and then do 10, 14, 11, 10. You add them up together, okay? You add them up together. And then you count. So if you add these together, it makes 80, okay? So you do 80 spaces. So like I'll do it here. 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line, 5 line, 6 line. Oh yeah, this is a pen. So I'll do 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line, 5 line, 6 line, and this will be the axis, and this will be the spaces. So you got 1 space there, 2 space there. This will be 0. Sorry guys, 0, and then you have your y-axis there. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So you have 80 spaces. In the exam, it won't be that much spaces, guys. So don't worry. I just did this as a thing, so it won't be like 80 spaces, but you will have to do spaces. And then if it says frequency density of 2, okay, so the maximum is 10. So you probably, the easiest way you're gonna do is just do 1 to 10 on the y. But don't do this, guys. Don't do this. 0, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 10, because that's stupid. Okay, and that's just gonna cost you 2 marks. So yeah, just do on the frequency density on the y-axis. Just do 1 to 10. Easy as. X-axis, do 80. For the first one, you have here 0 to 10. You have frequency of 20. Doesn't matter here. Class width. You have class width of 10. So you count 10 spaces, and then you go on the y-axis to 2, and then you draw a bar like that. I'll draw here, guys. So you got that, and you got that. So about, I'll say 10, class 10 width there, and 2's there. So you do a bar chart going like this and this. Next one's 14. So you count 14 spaces from the 10 there. So 14 is about here, guys. Sorry for that line. 13 and class width of 3. I mean frequency density of 3, and that's on the bars. Bars have to be together in histogram. Do not show them separate. And yeah, I think that's gonna be my histogram video ended, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Comment on if you think I missed something out in this histogram topic, or if you want me to add anything on. As you can see, these topics can be edited. So yeah, just leave your comments below. They will be worthy comments. Okay. Also, in your comments below, just tell me what subjects you want me to do. Okay, like any hard subject you find at school. Okay, I will be doing lower grade subjects, so like year 7, 8 topics as well, but mainly GCSE. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Thank you. Peace out, and get